Ghunder is an all-in-one health and fitness app. Everything you need, completely free in one place.
Team Ghunder consists of myself, Fayyadh, team leader, our team advisor, Madam Aisha, and our two team members, Danish and Wilkinson.
It does BMI, health tracking, workouts, food search, a food diary, and progress charts. Most apps only do one of those. Ghunder does all of them together. The problem with most fitness apps is that they only focus on one thing. MyFitnessPal tracks food, but it costs $10 a month and has no workouts. Google Fit counts steps, but it doesn't track food or BMI. Samsung Health is pretty basic. Then you also need separate apps for BMI and sleep. So you end up jumping between 5 different apps. Your data gets scattered everywhere, you waste time, and you lose motivation. Nobody has put all of this into one free app until Ghunder. Ghunder fixes that. One app, all the features, no subscription. BMI, workouts, food logging charts, it's all right here. Under the hood, there are 3 main parts. First, a local SQLite database that saves everything permanently. Your BMI history, food logs, workouts, and water intake. Second, 2 free APIs, CalorieNinjas for nutrition data, and wger for exercises. Third, device features like camera, GPS, pedometer, and vibration. This is the home screen. The greeting changes depending on the time of the day, morning, afternoon, evening, or night. And the 4 cards give you a quick snapshot of your BMI, water, steps, and sleep. The BMI calculator is simple. You enter your height and weight, tap calculate, and it instantly gives you a result. Every calculation is automatically saved to history, so you can look back at past readings or delete the ones you don't need. The health tracker is where you log your daily stuff. For water, you just tap plus or minus 250 ml or 500 ml, and the progress bar shows how close you are to the 3.5 liter goal. For steps, you can either let the app track live using your phone's pedometer, just hit play, or you can manually add steps with the plus and minus buttons. Sleep works with a slider or buttons, and there's a GPS button, one tap, and it shows your exact location and how accurate the reading is. This is where Ghunder actually talks to your phone's hardware. Workouts are split into 4 preset types: upper body, lower body, core, and cardio. If you open upper body, the app reaches out to the wger API and pulls in real exercises. Each exercise card shows the target muscle, what equipment you need, and step-by-step instructions. You can adjust how many sets and reps you want to do. When you finish, you tap complete workout. Your phone vibrates and it gets saved to your workout history.
Now for the innovations. First is the custom workout builder, and this is something you won't find in MyFitnessPal or Google Fit. There are 9 muscle groups to choose from: chest, back, shoulder, bicep, tricep, upper leg, lower leg, glutes, and abs. You pick one, and the app pulls exercises from the API. Then, you just tap the exercises you want to include. They turn green with a little check mark. Once you've picked your routine, one tap saves the whole thing. So, you don't have to save each exercises one by one. The second innovation is AI-powered cardio intensity. The app looks at the name of the exercises and automatically gives it an intensity badge: high, medium, or low medium. Burpees and sprints get high, running and cycling get medium, and you don't have to figure out the intensity yourself. The app does it for you, and no other app does this automatically. Third is the 7-day health charts. These are bar charts for water, calories, and protein over the last week. If the bar is green, you hit your goal. If it's faded, you miss it. And there's a daily breakdowns that show you exact percentage. It's a really visual way to see your progress and stay motivated.
Food search uses the CalorieNinjas API. You type in anything: chicken breast, apple, rice, and it instantly shows you calories, proteins, carbs, and fat. You pick which meal is for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. You can even snap a photo of your food. One tap and it's added to your food diary. The food diary is where you see everything you've eaten, and it's a full CRUD system. Create, read, update, delete. You create entries from the search page. To read entries, you can swipe between dates, search for specific food, or filter by meal type. When you need to update something, say you eat more than 1 serving, you tap the edit icon. A slider pops up and you can adjust the serving size from a quarter up to 3 times the original. As you slide, the calorie count updates in real time, so you can see exactly what you're changing. You can also move it to a different meal. Hit save and it's done. Deleting it is just a tap on the trash icon. Gone instantly. That's full database control. Workout history groups every workout you've ever done by date, with the newest ones first. You can search by exercise name or muscle group, and you can filter by workout type: upper body, lower body, core, cardio, or custom. At the top, a little summary tells you total workouts, days you've been active, and how many you've completed. This level of detail is pretty rare for a student project.
The nutrition guide helps you figure out how much you should actually be eating. You fill in your weight, height, age, gender, how active you are, and your goal. Whether you want to lose, maintain, or gain weight. The app calculates your BMR. That's the number of calories your body burns just by staying alive. And then it adjusts your number based on your activity level and your goal. Finally, it shows you your daily target for calories, carbs, protein, and fat in nice color-coded cards. So it's basically a personalized nutrition plan. The whole point of Ghunder is to make health tracking simple. One app, all your data in one place, and the charts keep you motivated.
So how does Ghunder compare to the competition? Let me walk you through the comparison. For BMI calculator, Ghunder has it for free. MyFitnessPal has it for free too, but Google Fit doesn't have it at all. For food search, Ghunder is free. MyFitnessPal charges $10 a month for that, and Google Fit doesn't have it at all. The workout library and custom workout builder, only Ghunder has those. AI cardio intensity, also only Ghunder. For step counter, Ghunder has live tracking. Google Fit has it too, but MyFitnessPal doesn't. For health charts, Ghunder gives you 7-day charts. Google Fit only gives you the basic ones, and MyFitnessPal gives you nothing. And the big one, monthly costs. Ghunder is completely free. MyFitnessPal costs $10 a month. So basically, Ghunder gives you more features than Google Fit, and it's a free alternative to MyFitnessPal.
What about commercial potential? The target market is huge. Over 10 million health-conscious people in Malaysia alone. That's gym goers, fitness beginners, and anyone who's trying to manage their weight. The plan is freemium. All the basic features, they're free forever. BMI, health tracking, workout, food search, diary, and history. For premium features like meal planning, advanced analytics, cloud backup, and social features like competing with friends, there will be 10 ringgit a month or 100 ringgit a year. The production cost is low because we build it with Flutter and free APIs. So, Ghunder could easily grab a significant chunk of the fitness app market.
Ghunder is also environmentally sustainable. First, it reduces e-waste because one app replaces 5 or more separate fitness apps, which means less storage and longer phone life. Second, it has a low carbon footprint. The app is only 50.4 megabytes, uses free APIs, and consumes minimal battery. Third, it promotes paperless tracking. No printed workout logs or food diaries, everything is digital. Fourth, it encourages green habits like walking, running, and home workouts, which produce zero emissions. This aligns with UN Sustainable Development Goals 12 and 13, responsible consumption and climate change.
Looking ahead, we want to bring Ghunder to iOS, add cloud backup with Firebase, integrate with Wear OS smartwatch, add social features, and sync with Apple Health and Google Fit. The tech stack is Flutter, Dart, SQLite, Provider, 2 APIs, and 4 device features. And big thanks to our institution and supervisor for supporting this. To wrap it up, Ghunder solved the problem of fragmented health tracking. It has dual APIs, full CRUD, real device features, and unique innovations like the custom workout builder, AI cardio, and 7-day charts. And it's completely free alternative to paid apps. That's Ghunder.